Step 9 is adjusting your gauge height to 0. Just like on the fixture, just like on the guides, we have a linear scale that gives a position call out. When adjusting your gauge height, you want to unlock the lock nut, and then you're going to spin this handle while watching the readout on the HMI screen. Once in position, relock down your nut. Step 10 is placing a master part into the gauge unit. We're going to set apart and we're going to slide it between the puck of the gauge and the hardened gauge plate underneath. Step 11 is zeroing your gauge control with your master part from the gauge head unit. So from here, I'm going to have to put in a password to put it into a setup mode. I'm going to tab over to the 0 screen, tab down to my 0 button, hit enter, and you can see our reading now changed to 0. From there I can tab over to the close button. We're back on our normal screen. Put it back into auto mode. Adjusting your gauge conveyor side rails. From here you're going to unlock your T-handles. Pull your quick change pin. And on this plate we have color coding system. And this whole side rail is going to move, and we're going to switch it over to our next part type. Put your quick change pin in, relock down your T-handles. Adjust your gauge meter spacing. So from here we're going to adjust our meters. Once again, unlock your T-handle. And this secondary meter will move. You want to place a part up against this first meter, put a secondary part there, and adjust this so that this meter finger is going to split the parts in the middle. And then relock it down. Adjusting your gauge conveyor part stop. You want to remove your quick change pin, unlock your T-handles, adjust this back to your color-coded part type. Put your quick change pin back in. And relock down your T-handles. It is changing out the gauge pusher beam. So from here, you can pull your quick change pin. This detail kind of folds up and slides out. Install the new one in the same fashion. Replace your pin. Is adjust your part ready to gauge sensor. You're going to want to take apart, place it under, undo your knurled lock screws, push it back into position, relock down the screws, and ensure that that light is being met. It's changing out your exchange table upper and lower nests. You're going to want to grab onto the ears because that's where our pins are. Lift and remove. These nests have different size locating pins to ensure that it can't go on in the wrong position. Once on, just make sure it's all the way down flat. Changing out your robot gripper fingers. Remove your quick change pins. And the fingers can slide out either direction. Place your new fingers in. Put your quick change pins back in. Moving the unload indexer into position.